I struggled when I went to go make the movie posters because the people that contacted us and gave us bids wanted $2,500 to $5,000 a movie poster, and I didn't have the money and wasn't about to blow $10,000 to $20,000 for a movie poster. So I did a big long search over the web. I tried to do something in Adobe Illustrator that comes part of the Creative Cloud suite, but I'm not an Adobe Illustrator guy, and I didn't want to go through the training on lynda.com, and I wanted to find a template similar to the way that we find Adobe After Effects templates. And searching through the web, I found this company called Roinasoft, which you can start from a template. And in here, what they have, most of the stuff is magazine cover type of stuff that you could modify. But in here, under funny, they did have 2 movie posters. And I went, wow, what's this? And of course, these are part of the procedures that we do where we go and look for these type of applications. And this is the type of detail that we're going through to try to find something that will work. From this one movie poster right here that we can see the different type of items going on, we wound up making our movie posters. What you can do is you bring this up, and then it allows you to go in and change all of these parameters, including the fonts and the sizes and the way you want it. But what's cool is that they give you this type of text down here like a movie poster. Within here, then, if I wanted to modify the credits and all this stuff, which is at the bottom, I just pop this open. It's kind of hard to work with. It doesn't necessarily act like Microsoft Word, but you can wade your way through it and be able to get a movie poster done. So as an example, I'm going to go in and open up a template here that we have, and I'm just under my movie posters template, and I'm going to bring up the big 3D, the big 3. And that's my wife. That's her in the picture, and you can kind of see some of the things we did. Well, I'm going to go ahead and open up a different file, and we'll take a look at it. We'll just show you some of the quick things that you can do with this program off of the base templates. Within here, if I want to change the background picture, I just double click on it, and I can go to a directory. I just happen under End Data, Pictures Best. I'll go to the Coral directory, and I'll just pick this Aqua Vase Sponge. And what it does is you can move this around to what you want to be the background picture on your movie poster. I'll just get in the center, I'll click OK, and bam, I've turned around and replaced that picture back there. If you want to change the person's name, you just come in here, come over, change it, click on these. These fields are all movable within the template itself. If you decide you didn't like it, you just hit the undo. You can also come in here and change the colors of the text and also the font type, and they give you plenty of different font types to be able to pick from. What I was really looking for and what excited me the most is that they had that type of pre-gram movie text in here, and what you do is for each line actually put the text that you want in there, and I kind of use their sort of format that they were using. And for each line, you put a text in there, and then it's going to create that movie theater type of look, etc., which is around there. And then you can go and draw additional shapes. It's not the most sophisticated program, but it does work for $29.95. Encourage all of you, if you want to do something slick or you're going out on a pitch meeting, we make these movie posters, put them into a $19 frame from Walmart. We have them printed out at something like an Office Max or an Office Depot, and they charge $17 for a full print movie poster. And when you go out and do a presentation and you have this movie poster in a frame sitting on an easel, people are really impressed. So they sit there looking at the movie poster, and all of a sudden it sets the tone in the meeting that you guys are coming in to give a professional presentation regarding the projects you're working on. I'm from Las Vegas and a lawyer and a CPA, and I have to listen to every hustle story of guy coming in my office. And once again, things like this will separate you from the other talkers that have been walking in these people's door that you're pitching to, and give the impression that you're serious about what you're doing. If you're kind of perplexed or you're trying to figure out how to do a movie poster, these type of things and these relatively inexpensive programs can help set the tone for a meeting, and also set a tone in your office to have some of these movie posters hanging on the wall. I encourage you all to look at this program. And if anybody has another suggestion about another movie poster program which is more extensive and has a greater library, I would love to hear about it. So once again, send it to deanhomemedia@gmail.com, and we'd be happy to take suggestions about other potential software which has templates like this.